My lunch break. So I've heard that PB&J is like a power food when it comes to getting ripped and like working out and stuff. And I eat one every single day for lunch, so what does that tell you? So back when I used to go to the gym regularly, I don't eat it anymore. I eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I used to go to this beautiful, judgment-free place where I could go in there, not know how to use the equipment, use it wrong probably. Nobody could say anything to me, because if they did, a big alarm would go off. But every day I would go there and see their logo and their brand and just get really sad. It is actually why I vowed to never work out again, because of their logo. Because of how bad their logo is. My mom told me never to chew with my chew with my mouth full. My mom told me never to. My mom told me never to talk with my mouth full. Sorry, Mom. I have an hour lunch break. We're doing this. So, for years I've wanted to rebrand this place. I think about it all the time because their logo is so bad. So if you're familiar at all with this place, you've probably figured out by now where I'm talking about. Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness. They had such an amazing opportunity with their name, Planet Fitness, to make this really cool brand around space and like a galaxy theme. But instead, it's this. What happened? Where did this come from? It's a gym. What about a gym uses gears and a thumbs up? I don't know about you guys, but for me, gears are an exercise necessity. An exercicity, if you will. Yeah, I get what they're going for, but like, a thumbs up, really, for a logo? I don't know. To me, that just feels like a cop-out, because it's just like, thumbs up. It's good. Things are good. I don't think that stands out to people. I feel like they've missed out on being one of the most well-known gym brands in the nation just because of their logo. I think their colors are great, but I think they missed out on capitalizing on their logo and also capitalizing on their name with their logo. So today I'm gonna rebrand Planet Fitness. Normally for a client, I would fill up pages and pages of sketches, but like I said, believe me, I've been thinking about this logo and how I would rebrand it for a long time. So today, all I'm gonna do, for time's sake, is sketch out that one idea and we'll go with it. People have always told me that I make really weird faces when I'm sketching. So today, since a time lapse of me actually sketching probably won't be as interesting as if I were doing pages and pages of sketches. So here's this. Okay, so now that I've sketched out my ideas, I'm going to show them to you guys here. So here's my idea. I wanted to use something that actually was about fitness, not a gear. So I created a dumbbell or a barbell. Is it a dumb? And I took that and I made it into also a planet. So if you'll notice, a lot of popular brands are actually blending two different objects together to create a logo. And if you can cleverly do this, it can be a pretty memorable logo. What I've done here is blended a dumbbell, a barbell. I need to look that up. Dumbbell. Barbell. Oh, so it is a dumbbell. Oh, it's a kettlebell. Oh, I'm the dumbbell. I've looked it up. I'm an idiot. It's a kettlebell. I knew that. I knew it was something to do with working out. I'm so dumb. But I took a kettlebell and made it look like a planet also, like a Saturn with some rings on it. So now that we have the idea, let's vectorize this puppy. Okay, here we go. Finished rebrand for Planet Fitness. Ta-da! This is what I came up with. I kept the same colors, the purple and the yellow, just because I think that that's a huge part of their brand. And if they were to do a rebrand, I couldn't see them doing away with that. Like, if you've ever been in one of them, all of their equipment is purple and yellow. All of their walls are purple and yellow. I don't think that they think of the thumbs up and the gears when they think of Planet Fitness. I think that they think of these purple and yellow colors. So what I've done here is built out the barbell with the planet. I think that I could probably spend all day long tweaking this and going super meticulous with this, but like I said, it's my lunch break, but overall I'm pretty happy with this. So I tried to change the font up a little bit. That was one of the things that bothered me about the original brand, was the font doesn't really scream workout to me. It's not as strong, as bold and athletic as I think it should be. So I used a typeface called Outage. It's a really bold and sporty font, and so I used it for this because I really think that it fits the feel of what they're going for. So I made a stacked version of the logo. I also made a horizontal version of the logo, and I made a little seal with the Planet Fitness kind of fitting underneath it. This to me would be what they would use for like signage and things like, and like t-shirts and things like that. Whenever I give a client a logo, I try to give as many versions of the logo as I can. And build it out so that they have a logo to use for every situation. So yeah, I actually even fit in kind of a crescent moon shape into the shading of it, which I didn't think about doing in the sketch, but as I kind of got into it, I felt like it'd be a cool element to add. Thank you so much for watching this. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Also, if you have any other suggestions on logos that you'd like to see me rebrand in the future with other videos, I would love to hear them, so drop me a comment below. Anyways, I have to get back to work. Thank you guys so much for watching this. It's been such a fun little exercise for my brain and my creativity today. So I'll see you next time.